mabuhay.
Hello, mabuhay! With the pink shoes, I love it.
Congratulations. Sorry yung tanong ko dun sa nakikita ko eh. Kahit nasa baba si Miles.
Ano ba talaga tayo?
Yung motto, tsaka ano ba talaga. Anyway, so with all this busyness and everything, how do you still manage to ensure na the second chance with Miles is going smooth?
Nakakatawa kasi nag-joke siya sa akin kanina na nainis na ako sa'yo, ang busy mo masyado. Gano'n siya sa akin. Pero alam ko naman it's a joke and I know that she's proud of me and you know, we have the same job and nagkakaintindihan kami because of that. Paano ba? I don't know, like, ang dami na kami pinagdaanan ni Man, sobra. And feeling ko that made us stronger, like very, very strong. And kung ano man mangyari, alam naman namin na mahal namin ang isa't isa lagi. And we're always here for each other. I mean, we're each other's best friend talaga. Nag-iiba kayo dyan. and we really understand each other. We really connect. And syempre, kahit naman magkalayo ay may FaceTime naman, may video call naman. And kapag may free day, I always make time for her. Kapag nagka-oras din siya, kasi busy din naman siya. And you know, we always watch a movie together, we always eat out together. Yun yung sinabi kong ways of dealing with the busyness or how I reward myself. Parati siya kasama doon. Kasama siya sa reward.
Yeah! Parang siya kasama sa reward.
Wow!
Parang Elijah, pero tingnan yung reward. Ganun mag-drop. Anyways, pero how do you value as Miles is an actor as well. So,
yes.
How important is her feedback to you in terms of how you act? May ganun ka ba na you solicit also where...
Yeah! Ever since we started, nagliligawan pa lang kami. As in, yung mga scripts na nakukuha ko nun, pinapascreen ko na sa kanya. Like, what do you think about this? Parang, I wanna do this. What do you think? You think bagay ba? You think kaya ko ba? Pero bias kasi yun eh. Tingin niya lahat kaya ko eh. Yung parang sagot niya lagi, kaya. Pero honestly, nakakatulong yung feedback niya kasi veteran na yun eh, you know, like tagal niya na sa industriya, di ba? So, she knows how the system works, the industry works. So, minsan, nagigets niya din yung mga gusto ko. Ako naman yung nagpapasok sa kanya ng yung pag-curate ng mga pelikula na gustong gawin, hindi lang tanggap ng tanggap, you know, make movies or tell stories that really matter to you and mas rewarding yun in that sense. So yun, tulungan kami. Kapag nag-memorize ako lines, control-lines ko siya minsan, gano'n. May gano'n kami. Pag siya din, kapag may script siya, papapasa niya rin sa akin, papatulong din siya. Tapos may influence. Ako, sinabihan ko siya magpakulay siyang buhok, nag-orange buhok siya. So may mga gano'n po kaming usapan ever since, until now.
And last question related to that. Do you have a dream project together na you wish magawa niyo talaga?
Definitely. Ang una, magka-project together. Ganun lang po kasimple. Sana magka-project kami, pelikula or show together. Wala bang nagbibigay ng chance na yun so far. But syempre, we're open. Guys, katapatok, we're open po sa ganyan. And kung ano man, ako kasi lagi kong sagot dyan ngayon ay something light kasi lagi namang mabibigat yung ginagawa ko. Siya naman, gusto niya naman i-explore yung mga ginagawa ko. Gusto niya naman gumawa ng art films, ng indie films. So, hindi ko alam, we have to meet in the middle somewhere there. I don't know yet. Pero kahit ano po yan, game po kami.
Okay. And I've heard na maglalabas ka ng full album.
Yes po.
Tama ba? Can you tell us more about it? Like ilang songs? What are those? Anong genre?
So right now there are 10 songs on it. I signed with UMG 2 years ago. 2 years ago na rin. Yung prepared na tracklist namin noon ay for 6 songs. So it was supposed to be an EP only. Pero 2 years na nga lumipas dahil na busy. Last year I was doing a lot of TV work. So halos walang oras din talaga last year. Kaya hindi nakagawa ng music masyado. Pero nowadays we have 10 tracks. So nag-decide kami actually last week lang na album na to. 10 tracks na eh. And baka may madagdag pa, hindi ko alam. I have a studio session tomorrow. So, minsan kasi pag sa sulat po, no, pag na-feel mo lang biglang magsulat, may kwento kang gusto sabihin, or nag-e-emote ka, or galit ka, or basta idadaan ko po yan sa sulat eh. Tapos pag may nabuo, baka may madagdag pa. But this album, generally, It's not a concept album. It's more just an introduction as to my musical side. So songs and the genre that I really want to pursue is hip hop. And yeah, may mga fun tracks. I have 2 collaborations there. This female rapper named Shanti and pwede na ba sabihin yung isa? Wag pa pala, joke lang. Baka pa na isa. Buti na lang ang daming nagko-coach dito. Thank you po. Kasi minsan talaga hindi ako tumatahimik eh. Minsan tuloy-tuloy ako, so buti na lang may magsabi sa akin, shut up. Yan, gano'n.
And sorry, with those 10, ilan, like, ikaw yung gumawa ng iba? Tama ba?
Ako po nagsulat na lahat.
Ng 10?
Yes.
Sorry naman! Hindi ko mapis.
Pero gano'n po kasi I believe in the hip-hop culture. Wala din akong education, pero sa rap, as a fan lang, alam ko na you're not a true MC, you're not a true rapper if you don't write your own bars, if you don't write your own verses. Tama, agree kayo dyan. But yeah, yun po yung belief ko. And I used to write poetry in high school for fun, and rap is like poetry, so na-enjoy ko rin naman po siya.
At sasayaw ka din. Di ba pag hip-hop may sayaw yun?
Wala po na nung usapan, rap.
Wala pa ba? Mamaya na.
Rap lang po. Pero yung sayaw na ganun-ganun lang, tama pa bebig sayaw lang po.
Ay, congratulations.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Mean to put you in the spot, but okay, I'm counting and I'm looking at 8 films.
Really?
Which one is the one to watch out for?
Ooh!
I know you love all of them.
Yung hindi pa na-announce. Joke lang. May announce kami soon, pero hindi pa namin siya pwede isama dito. It's very exciting. I think they're announcing it sa Toronto. Tama ba? Sa Toronto Film Festival. So, that's exciting. Sana makita-kita tayo ulit kapag nangyari yun. But for now, what is... Siyempre, this one, like, comeback ni Richard Gomez to.
Okay.
And it's a very exciting role for him. It's something that he's never done before. And also, I'm playing his son. I'm playing his son in this movie. Hindi ko alam, Adonis yan si Richard Gomez. Hindi ko alam ba't ito kaniisip nila. But yeah, we've been having fun doing this. He's the nicest and the coolest. And it's not like anything din na pinapalabas nowadays. We're trying to do a Filipino Western.
Okay.
Parang yung mga Western type na films sa Philippine cinema, mga FPJ days pa yan, you know, Lito Lapid, mga ganun. So ngayon...
So parang ganun ang feel yan.
Yeah, pero promise hindi kami cowboy. Ano kami dito? Pulis nga po kami.
Mukha naman kayo mga police dyan.
Pulis kami and maganda yung dynamics ng characters namin kasi one cop is jaded na from the system and then the other is very optimistic.
Idealistic.
Yeah, very optimistic. So kahit nga si Congo, sinasabi niya na parang si Juliana yung ka-eksena ko eh. Ganyan din sinasabi sa akin ni Juliana eh. May mga gano'n na po siyang hirit sa akin. But that's exciting. But also this, I saw this a while ago for the first time. The Unfinished Cut, Edjo. It's a story of Edgar Hobson, a martial law activist that sadly passed away during the fight. And I saw it for the first time because we're about to finish. We're finishing our last leg.
Grabe, ang tagal nang inaabot ng Edjo, ha?
Actually, nung napapanood ko siya kanina, naiyak ako. I was watching it at ABS with CLK and CVV. And naiyak ako kasi ang layo na nung narating ng pelikula. And malayo pa ang lalakbayin niya.
Right.
And we have a couple more days. We wrap by October. And ang husay-husay ni Ate Jody dito, Kaki Pangilinan is in it. We have a stacked cast. Like, ngayon ko lang nalaman na Cedric Juan is in it, my brother's girlfriend is in it. Like, nakakatawa yung realizations kanina while watching it. But super emotional because I've been working on this for 2 years now. And this is the longest film I've worked on. And I'm sure that it will be worth it. It's a story that's important to tell. And Edjo deserves this. You know, he deserves his story to be told in this way.
Any of these movies making it to the Batang Manila Film Festival?
I don't know if I can say. Wala na lang, para safe, wala.
Yung tingin mo na may pause pa yun eh.
Nakita na, yung airplane na mamaya.
I know.
Wala pa, pero meron din, hindi pa pala announce. Another one, yeah. Ano po tayo, hanap buhay tayo.
Tingin dito sa mga katabi ko, napapaano ka eh. Napapapause ka bigla eh. Oh, if you don't mind, kanina you mentioned that you have an alter ego in music.
Yes.
What was it? Sana.
It was supposed to be Louise. Louise is my second name.
How do you spell it?
Luiz. And may ano pa ako doon, may mga plans pa ako magmamask ako, ganyan-ganyan, para ibang-ibang persona. Pero
Ay, tatawa yung mga fans mo sa'yo.
Ayaw nyo, guys. Pero naiintindihan ko naman from a business standpoint yung using my name. Ako na lang nagsabi na sana all small letters para cool lang. Yun
Wow, very Ariana Grande.
Yeah, very
Yes.
All small letters, mas
Small
walang
letters.
kadlas. Just Elijah. You know?
Nax naman.
Sabi na lagyan ba natin period? Sabi ko, wag na. Elijah na.
Last question na lang. I know, sobrang dami kong questions. I'm so sorry.
No,
Last na
no,
question na
no.
lang kay Elijah. 25?
Yeah.
Belated happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Did you go through a quarter life crisis?
Not yet. Why are you? What's happening? Baka mamaya dumating ko.
Na-trigger
Baka
pala bigla.
ma-trigger. Hindi, I don't know.
No, we all go through that. I went through that. Other people go through that too.
I'm sure. And honestly, I'm at the point in my life where I'm just enjoying the moment. I'm trying to stay busy. And I have lots of friends who, yung mga, I usually hang out with the older people. And I realized that we're not much different, you know, like despite the 20 years age gap or whatever, like they go through the same things, they think about the same things, they struggle with the same things. And so yun nga yung tanong ko, sabi, does it ever end? Sabi na, apparently not. So I guess we just have to deal with this, you know, live through it and just keep going day by day.
Thanks, Elijah.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.